Hey friends, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. So today I am going to show you how to use a map properly. What is the process of using a map properly? Google Map. A number of we don't know how can we use it. Okay, let's go. I am showing to you actually the process, exact process of using Google Map. So first of all, come Google Map, and then this is the Google Map. Yeah, this is, and see you and explore and contribute. So I telling you that come to explore, then there is a two icon in the below of the right side, and go the arrow icon and write down here actually you can write down your location, or you can also share your location here. So I am sharing my actually first of all you have to share your location here, and then you write actually where. For example, I am in Newburgh, Donau, and I want to go Technical Hochschule, but it's not Ingolstadt in Newburgh. Are there any yeah, this is I am searching it, and then actually it show you how far it is. It is 19. It's take 19 minutes to go from this destination and to that destination. But the main thing is that how can you know actually how you will go the way of your destination. Actually where you want to go, how you know. So yeah, see actually start arrow in the left side of the below, and click it. I am clicking. Oh my god, see actually I am going to the wrong side, so it's show the arrow. And if I if I change my destination, then you see actually where I am moving, it's also showing. Actually the where I will move, this is the right way, but I am the opposite side. I am going to opposite side, so this is why it's showing. It's very easy. Actually the arrow is going, see actually the arrow is going where you will go, but I am not going the right side. If I will go the right side, then see actually it will show the minute, and you can change it. And this is very easy. And you can also recenter minute, show you there. See actually I am the opposite side, I am going to opposite side, it's also showing. But you have to go right this way and this way. When you will go the right side, then the arrow will go with you this blue sign, this blue street, and you have to go. And if you are walking,
turn
then
right onto Bahnhofstrasse.
it's also saying you, or it's also alarming you that go right, go left, go straight. Yeah, it will show you. And see actually in the below it's a 17 minutes, but it will decrease when you will go the right way. But I am going to the wrong way, so this is why it's not decreasing. Yeah, this is the all about the map, and this is a really exciting way to find your destination. And there are also more options. If I am showing you, see actually there are way and cycling. If I want to go there, I need only 6 minutes to go there by cycle. And there is also option if I go by public transport, how many minutes I need, it's also showing. And this is really fantastic. And if I go by bike, it will take less than 1 minute, is also showing. If I oh no, sorry, actually there is bike is not as usual in Germany, so this is why it's not showing bike. And if I go by private car, it will take only 4 minutes. Yeah, this is all about this Google Map. Not all about, I'm showing, just wait. I mean, this is the Google Map. And yeah, you can also where you want to go. For example, I am in Nuremberg, and I want to go München, Bahnhof, or Berlin. Just right here, Berlin, Germany. How can I go? It's show up. See, actually, if I want to go from here, then it's a 520 kilometer. It will take 5 hours and 31 minutes. And if I want to go by public transport, then it would take 4 hours and 40 minutes. If I want to go by walk, it's take 5 days. If I want to go by cycling, then it's take almost 1 days. I hope you understand everything and like this way. And the main thing is that actually when we go short distance and when we want to go somewhere near to us but we don't know where the place is, if you write down right way, I mean, you can also from here you can see, yeah, you can see actually this is the Neuberg. And yeah, this is the way of cycling. But I am telling you that I don't want to go by cycling, I want to Berlin. They would also show the street how you will go. Can you see actually how fantastic this is? This, I mean, where you want to go, they will also show the place actually you want to go, how you go there. Totally a fantastic way of using Google Map. And if you search the start, then see actually they will show where from you start. Yeah, from here go, and then yeah, take this path. Yeah, this is very way when you will start your journey, then this arrow will also start with you. If you go this place, then the arrow will go this place. If you will go this place, the arrow will go this place. Yeah, this is the really fantastic way of searching where you want to go, your destination. Yeah, this is and if we want to go by public transport, it's also show. And see actually they show also which train you can go by RB and by RB15, and everything is showing here. So yeah, this is really fantastic. And how much time you should to take, they are also showing. So this way you can use your Google Map. And yeah, a lot of we don't know actually how to use Google Map properly. This is why I am showing you. And even near if you want to see the restaurant nearest you can click the restaurant. See, this is one restaurant, this is second restaurant, and the restaurant name, everything you will take here. And even if you want to and this is then see actually I want to go this restaurant, how I can go and how far it is, how much time it need to by walk. So like click the destination, then you can see actually it's a 3 minutes from here. How can you go? It's also right when you in the left side of the below arrow icon start, when you start then it will show you how
Head
can
east
you
on
go.
Bahnhofplatz.
Yeah, like this way, like this path you can go there. So all of you can use like this way. And there is also, see actually this is the way of using this. And if I want to show more, then I can show you hotels. Where is the hotel? If you click here, then you can see nearest hotel where you can stay. And if you want to go the groceries, you can click the groceries. See, there is a Penny and Action Newburgh and the donor. I can click here, and then you can click the destination, how far it is. See, it's 4 minutes and it's 1.7 kilometer away from us. And if we want to go by walk, it's take 24 minutes. And how can we go? If we want to go somewhere, after set up everything, then on the below of the left side you can click the start. Yeah, by
GPS
starting.
signal lost.
Yeah, this
Continue
is
on
the
to
arrow.
Adolf
You can
Kolpingstrasse.
go like this way, like this blue way, blue path. You can, when you will walking, or when you will start your journey, then this arrow signal will also go with you. See, I am the opposite, and if I go this way, then I can go there. Yeah, this is the all about the Google Map. And thank you so much watching this video. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.